we want to look at how to multiply when we're looking at fractions and negative numbers. Now, if you recall, anything over itself is 1. So if I have 2 over 2, that is 1. And if I have 3 over 6, we know that what is divisible by both? 3. So 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 6 two times. So now when I'm looking at this example over here, I see this funny looking 6, and it doesn't have anything under it. Remember, anything over 1 is just that number. So I'm going to go ahead and make that look like everything else. Now, we want to look at other things that are in common on top and on bottom. So I see that there is a 6 on top here, and there's a minus 6 on the bottom. So that is 6 divided by 6 is 1. Negative 6 divided by 6 is negative 1. Now everything else that I see is a prime number, which means it only has itself and 1 is what it's divisible by. So I'm going to multiply straight across the top. So I have 2 times negative 5 divided by 3 times negative 1. And 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now what do you remember about a negative divided by a negative? Well, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 10 and 3 have nothing in common, so your answer is positive 10/3. Now let's look at another example. This one looks basically the same, right? So the first thing we want to do is if we just see a whole number, we're going to put it over 1. Now I notice that both of these numbers have 5s in them. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So now I'm going to multiply straight across on the top, and I'm going to get 3 times negative 3 divided by 1 times 2, and 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 1 times 2 is 2. They're not divisible by one another, so this right here would be your final answer.